Hello everyone, how to split product codes into different column in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data in one column, the product code. So here I'm going to split category, product and ID. So let's see how it's done. So first select the entire data, select the first cell and use here the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, go to the data tab. In Data Tools group, click on the Text to Column. And here the one dialog box is open. Convert text to column wizard. Choose the file type. So here select the first one, delimited. And you can check the preview of selected data here. After that, click on the next. And here you can see again, you can check here the data preview. In delimited, select the other option and type here dash. So I just type here dash. When you enter here the dash, you can see your product code split in different column, category, product and code. After that, click on the next and here in destination, click on this arrow and here select the first cell of the category. Then click on this arrow again and click on the finished. And that's it. So you can see this is a way you can split product codes into different columns in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.